Okay, so I wanted to share this. This is a chicken fair. So what happened is that I came outside to fry. It's like I haven't used this in a while, so I forgot how high the flame can be. So it was high, I didn't realize it. So once I drop in a piece of the chicken, I realized it's hot, but I keep dropping in, thinking the rest of the chicken would have cooled on the oil. But instead, everything just get black. So the oil just show the good, so I have to show the bad. I can't tell if it tastes good. I don't even know if this chicken is fried, but it is what it is. So I'm also going to drain off this, clean out the oil and do a mix that. I'm just opening it fry. So that's cool. You can really have to get attention, but I just annoyed, you know. One thing, you know, I'm a perfectionist, and when something will come out good, it just stamp my spirit. I'm not old guys, just change. But, yeah. This in my burn. I'm going to strain off the oil. I see. The thing is, when the oil dark also, it make the chicken dark. So this is another thing that just broke my vibes. But may I strain it off and yeah.